I think Daddy's too close to the fence. The alarm is going off.
It is?
Yeah. What are you guys patiently waiting for? Jared, close the door.
Patiently?
I guess not so
A
patiently.
chicken coop.
What did he say?
What?
It's a wheelbarrow you attach to the back of the mower. Or back of something.
Really?
The door's
That's funny that you see that right
open.
there.
It's open.
So what do you think he's getting?
I think it's better than the funny looking guy.
Really? Wait, let me get that excitement.
Hey guys, this is Carl from Happy's Family, and that's Paige over there. Her chicken coops came in. We decided not to make them ourselves. We ordered them from where was it at? Tractor Supply? No, not. I always mess this up. Northern Tool, right?
Yeah.
So we ordered them. We're gonna put it together. It's kind of cold out here, but
It's not cold.
the little boss is demanding that we build the chicken coops today. So we're gonna go ahead and get this started and see how it goes, right?
Yeah.
So we finished one coop. We have a chicken in it already, right? What is it? What does a chicken say? Okay, so we have another one to build after this, and then I'm gonna do some tilling probably later on today. I don't know what Mello's over there doing. What you doing over there, Mel? Mel, what you doing down there? Chewing stuff up? Yeah.
Chicken coming
You're gonna be all dirty.
Chicken coming out.
Okay, so I'm gonna get off and get ready to build the next one. I seen a hawk flying around over here. He's probably looking to get one of the chickens when we get it. So we're back out here to build part 2, the second chicken coop. What's the pink pool for, Paige?
Their dust bath.
A dust bath?
Yeah.
So what do we put in it?
I think they sell dust bath stuff for chickens at stores.
Do we have to cover it, or can it stay uncovered?
I don't know. You might have to cover it so it doesn't get wet in the rain.
You're gonna have to look that up, or maybe we can build something to put over top of it.
What?
So it goes right in. So we're gonna build the second one. Let's see if we can build this quicker. So we finished the 2 coops. We're gonna get some mulch and put underneath to level them off some, right, boss?
Yes. Good job, Paige and Daddy.
Yeah. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna level these off with some mulch underneath them,
Paige,
and then we're
do
gonna
you know,
put chicken wire between both of them so the chickens can run back and forth in them.
somebody...
So we're done building the chicken coop. This is what we
I
did
hardly
Sunday.
helped. I did
help
office
at all.
work.
We didn't get to do any of the garden over there, but we'll do that. The chicken coop came in, so we wanted to get that together. But now I have to clean out the back of the truck and get everything ready for our big job tomorrow.
Yes.
I need to get the hose so we can lay the hose down to mark the beds.
Yes.
So tomorrow
we need trash cans. We need all of our hoses. We need tarps. We need shovels.
It's a big job. You think we can do it in 2 days, boss?
I hope so.
Yeah, I hope so too.
I was thinking more like 3.
No, we're gonna do it in 2.
But
We got mowing.
he wants to do 2.
And we got to throw in about 6 mowings in
chicken
between.
coops in like 2 hours.
So.
And this kid wants us to get chickens like tomorrow.
I never said tomorrow.
So thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope you guys like our farm videos that we're doing every
Yeah.
Sunday. I know they don't go on until Monday sometimes, but
I think it just makes you a little happier.
yes, it does. Good night, guys.